I miss your boy Champagne. Hey, we're back with another video, man. Today, you know what I'm saying, we're going to Walmart and I'm gonna spray people. This is water. I'm gonna spray people on the back of their necks. Try to get a reaction of them. I saw this video on TikTok or Instagram. So I forgot bro's at, but you know what I'm saying. Make sure I like, comment, subscribe, share this video, and roll the 2K, man. Let's go, man. Let's get it. Follow my Instagram, Champagne Sumner. Let's go.
Sneezing like that. You sneeze on me.
I sneeze on you?
Yeah.
Oh shit, I'm sorry, sir.
It's okay.
Here, I'll wipe it for you.
No.
I'm sorry, sir. You okay? I apologize.
It's okay.
I'm sorry about that. I just can't control myself sometimes. Sometimes I just get
It's okay.
possessed with my sneezes.
You know, whatever you're up to, I'm not the candidate.
What did I do?
You know what you did? Get away from me. I said, get away from me. And I don't,
You called me over here.
I'm going to call police on you right now.
What did I do?
Get away from, I said, get away from me.
What did I do, sir?
Get away from me.
I had to sneeze. I'm sorry.
Get away from me.
I'm sorry. Please don't hurt me. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna call police on you right now. Get away from me.
Please, sir, don't do that. Please, sir. Don't do that. Please.
Hello? Hello?
Please, sir, don't do that.
Call police on you guys. Call me security. Call me security on me.
What did I do?
That's your security.
Where's the security? Where's the
Is that
security?
the security?
Yeah, because this guy over here sneezing
Let me
on
call
people.
police.
He's sneezing on people. This guy's crazy. This guy over here sneezing on me. This guy.
Oh my God. Oh. Why? You put this. Why? Oh. You that's this one, this phone.
Oh, I sneeze on you?
Yeah, a lot.
I'm sorry, man. Here, I'll wipe it.
No, it's
I'll wipe
okay.
it. I'm sorry, man.
It's okay.
I'm sorry, sir.
Oh.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, man. Shit, I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
Sorry, man. I sprayed him twice, that's right.
What did you do that? You asked me what you did? Stop recording.
What did I do? What did I do, sir? Tell me what I did.
Phone, right?
What's funny? What did I do?
Take his phone.
What did I do?
Don't worry about it.
No one did. What did I do? Please, sir, tell me what I did. Please. I'm begging you, please. What did I do? Why are you walking away? What did I do? Please tell me what I did, sir.
You're playing with the wrong person.
Are you threatening me? You threatening me, bro? So you're scary, bro. I don't want you to hurt me, man. This is for OnlyFans. I don't do TikTok, none of that. This is for OnlyFans. I'm an OnlyFans content creator, sir. I sell foot pics. Please, sir. It's just water from the ceiling. It's a leakage. It's something to do with Walmart, not me.
just now.
Get some water or something. I don't know. I think what the heck?
Yeah, just push it.
Come on. What the fuck? That wasn't me, man. That wasn't me, OG.
I didn't see it.
That wasn't me, man.
Okay, I feel you ain't got to prove it to me.
Hey, man, that wasn't me.
Why do you keep doing that, man? It keeps me on my face.
You know why he's recording? I'm asking you. I thought he was with you.
I don't know. Seems like you do it for him.
No, I'm not.